Creating an efficient outbound motion is all about removing repetitive manual tasks from your rep's day. And you can do this without sacrificing the precision of relevant outreach. UserGems has been a game changer for me in my own outbound motion, and here's how it works. So we're going to be using GemE, UserGems AI agent, to create a list of contacts and accounts, prioritize these accounts and contacts, and then serve up relevant messaging and playbooks for engagement, which knocks out 3 of the main time-consuming aspects of my day and any outbound rep's day. So now let's take a look at an example here in UserGems with this account, Amplitude. So the account has been prioritized first on the fact that it is an ICP match. GemE has also identified company-level signals at this account. One example being, this account, Amplitude, is a customer competitor of 3 of our current customers. And then you'll notice that UserGems has also identified and prioritized all of the contacts at the account that have the highest chance of converting. So we'll take this example of Lori, who is a VP of Enterprise Global Marketing at Amplitude, a typical buyer for us. We'll see she's a past closed one-op contact. And so after prioritizing the accounts and contacts to reach out to first, the last step in this process here is having GemE write the sequence and engage based on the signals showing at the contact level. So GemE will also use all of this information to create a targeted outbound sequence specifically for Lori and reference back our past relationship with her. So in this example, we're saying thank you to Lori for bringing on UserGems at a past company. We're mentioning the pains that we solve for as an organization. And then we're indicating it might be a good time for Lori to have a conversation with one of her other colleagues who is a previous customer of ours as well. Now past that, you'll see another company level signal that GemE is pulling into the messaging, that being the customer competitor signal. And we've found that if you name drop a competitor in your outbound marketing or in your outbound motion, they're 2.5 times more likely to book a meeting with you. So if you're focused on efficient growth, you'd be missing out if you do not leverage on GemE's AI agent functionality. I'm looking forward to talking with you soon.